Today, my presentation will be Building a Strong Partnership Alliance and Ashford Medical Group. Good morning, and thank you for meeting with me today. My name is Shadice Briscoe, and I am the Provider Relations Manager at Alliance Insurance. I'm excited to talk with you about the opportunity for Ashford Medical Group to join our provider network. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the benefits of becoming an in-network provider with Alliance, outline our credential process, highlight two important contract clauses, and explain the concept of network equity and why it matters both to you and to our members. Slide 2. Why contract with Alliance? There are several strong reasons to join the Alliance network. First, you'll gain access to our extensive member base, which means a steady increase in patient volume. Second, our contracts ensure timely and predictable payment schedules, which help with cash flow. Third, by negotiating rates in advance, you'll see a reduction in patient bad debt, fewer unpaid bills for service. Fourth, you'll benefit from our marketing efforts, including your practice being listed in our online provider directory. Finally, being in network opens the door to collaborate care opportunities and referrals from other providers in the network. Additional provider benefits. In addition to increased patient volume and predictable payments, a network provider receive visible through our online directory and mobile app. Patients actively use these tools to choose their providers. You'll also have access to quality improvement, insensitive and value-based care programs designed to improve outcomes and reward high performances. Plus, we provide ongoing support to help ensure your practice meets regulatory requirements so you can focus more on patient care and less on compliance paperwork. My next slide will be the credentialing process. The credentialing process is straightforward and designed to protect both patients and providers. It begins with you submitting an application along with documentations like your state license, malpractice coverage, and certifications. We then provide primary source verification, confirming your education, training, and board certifications directly from the insurance organizations. We may conduct background checks and, in some cases, site visits. Finally, the application goes to our conditional committee for approval. This process ensures all network providers meet Atlantis quality and safety standards, and we work to make it as smooth and timely as possible. My next slide will be key contract clause, no balance building. One of the most important clauses in our contract is the no balance billing provision. This means you agree not to bill patients for amounts beyond their copay, co-insurance, or deductible for covered services. This clause protects patients from surprise medical bills, which research shows as a major concern for healthcare consumers. By offering financial predictability, you build trust with your patients and enhance their satisfaction with your service. Key contract clause, non-discrimination. The non-discrimination clause ensures that services are provided without discrimination based on race, gender, disability, or payer status. This clause supports compliance with federal and state laws, including civil rights protecting. More importantly, it reinforces the ethic committed we share to providing equitable care for all patients. It is also position your practice as a leader in and fairness in healthcare delivery. Why provider contracts matter. Provider contracts are much more than payment arrangements. They are the foundation of a strong network. Contracts clearly establish payment terms and responsibilities, set expectations for quality reporting, and outline the process for dispute resolution. They help maintain stability and predictability for providers and members alike, ensuring everyone knows their role and obligations. In other words, they create the framework for sustainable and high performing healthcare systems. Understanding network equity. Network equity refers to having enough providers in the right specialties and geographic locations to meet the needs of our members. It also includes ensuring reasonable appointment wait time. Equitable networks are essential for regulation, compliance, and for maintaining high levels of member satisfaction when members can access the care they need without long waits or excess travel. Their overall experience improves, which benefits both the insured and the provider. Network equitability benefits for AMG. For Ashford Medical Group, joining Atlantic directly support our network equity. Your specialties and service areas fill important gaps in our network, improving access for our members. This means more referrals from within the network and a stronger patient base for your practice. It is also positions AMG as a preferred provider in the region, giving you a competitive advantage. Closing and call action. To summarize, joining Atlanta Network offers you more patients, fastest payments, reduced administration burden, and a stronger community impact. Our next step would be to begin the credentialing process, review the payment appendix, and schedule an onboarding meeting with your team. I truly believe this partnership will be mutually beneficial, and I'm looking forward to working with you to make it happen. Thank you for your time today, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.